Kev G, weather overview. Good evening, everybody. Well, we got some rain moving in, and we got away with a very nice day today. But now the rain is out on our doorstep, and a solid inch of rain, it looks like, is what is in the offing. The deeper into the night we go, the more the rain will get heavier and heavier. So for the next few hours, if you're watching this, I'm recording it around 5 o'clock. So for the next few hours, rain will be kind of spotty, but by 10, 11 o'clock, it'll start to get steadier and heavier, and it'll last all night long. So a raw easterly wind will develop too, making matters a little bit more just dicey for you if you're out and about on Saturday night. Now, when we take a look at the latest radar picture, you can see that rain is in fact on our doorstep, but across Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, it's not solid yet. I think that we have to wait a little while for that area to fill in, but it will through the course of the night. So expect a steady, kind of a windswept, nasty rain, especially the deeper into the evening we go. And the bulk of the rain will be moving out by Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, but the problem is that we're kind of stuck. If we take a look at the model for tomorrow, the bulk of the rain is gone by the middle of the day, but we're stuck with a lot of clouds, some drizzle at times, not the nicest of days, but the trade-off is that the temperatures will be rather mild, with temperatures in the 50s. So that's due to the fact that we're getting winds off the water, and we're not getting them from a northwesterly direction. Now, we slowly clear it out for Monday. We get away with another mild day, but the main story of this week is going to be our chilly temperatures, which arrive Monday night into Tuesday. Maybe a flurry or two for Monday night into Tuesday, but not really a big deal. As we go deeper into the week, we have to see if a storm develops on the East Coast and which way it wants to go. Now, the latest trend is for this storm to miss much of the East Coast. But 2 days ago, the very same models had a little bit more in the way of a low pressure on the Carolinas and moving up this way. So I would take stock in the fact that the latest data is pointing to a miss. So if that does indeed happen, which I think it will, we're looking at a pretty benign weather picture for the first full week of December. In fact, we'd have to go all the way out to early next week, in fact, to see any real appreciable rain after we get through the system for tonight into tomorrow. Now, for you snow lovers, keep an eye on Thursday night and Friday morning, because we could get a bout of snow for your Friday as this next reinforcing shot of cold air comes in for the weekend. Now, as we get out in time, and again, we're pretty far out, we're about 7 days out now with the model, it wants to develop another storm for Sunday into Monday, and this looks like it would be a warm storm with not a lot of snow. Most of it would be rain, but again, we're talking out to December 10th now. So the moral of the story is that our temperatures look very cool after Monday night. Once that frontal passage finally comes in, we're mild until then. Rain is in the offing for tonight and the first half of tomorrow, but kind of a gloomy day for your Sunday. And then we'll have to wait and see for the weekend into early next week for our next significant chance of rain.